Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will start new series PHP. In this series we will cover PHP MVC and PHP object oriented programming language, right? So initially we need setup local setup in your machine. So it's very easy, we can install local system. If you have Ubuntu, so you need like only 7 steps. We have local setup. We need like three things. First is PHP, second one is MySQL, and third one you can use Apache or you can use Nginx. Both of you can use, but my suggestion you can use Nginx because Nginx is far better than Apache. Because if you want like restriction some directory level, so you can define easily in Nginx configuration. And engine Apache also use like directory structure restriction, but you can use s.stxs files. So but as per Apache, nginx is most like used and faster also, and more like larger applications use nginx. So it's like only three steps. And if you have Windows system, so you can easily install BAM server, right? So this is five step. First, Ubuntu, you can update your Ubuntu like local file. Second one, if you want to Apache, so install Apache, and this is like Nginx if you want to Nginx. And third one is PHP, and second one is MySQL. Right after installation, like your local system look like this way. You can easily like all define the all your like modules and your like directories. This is php info, right? And the second thing, after installation you need like mysql access. So we need mysql access, mysql friend. So one, we have good mysql front end. Like you can put here like your username, here you can put your password, right? After entering, you see your all databases. This is very simple. This is admin app. This is MySQL friend. So MySQL friend you can easily install. Just simple one file, right? You can install from here, right? And after click here, easily download. See, this is downloading, and this is file. You can put it from your HTML directory. After installing, this is like nginx directory. Put it from here. This is like database.php. You can rename data as php, or either you can define the admin add, no issue. And after installing, you can hit like a browser this. So this is very simple. You can use easily create database. Just you can define here like test database. You can just click, you can easily create database. This is interface used without going to command line. You can easily create database, or you easily monitoring all your databases from interface. So right, so this is like very simple in your local setup in your machine, right? In if you have any concern about like local system setup, nginx or Apache, you can comments me. I definitely revert, because this is very simple. Nginx you can define after installing etc, right? etc nginx. This is nginx configuration file. This is nginx file. You can define the root. This is your root, right? This is your root. HTML, right? This is run your index file, right? This is file. This is running file, right? Define here like directory. This is directory, right? And this is your server name, localhost, right? So this is very simple. Only few steps you can define, like three steps. One is install php, second one install mysql, third one Apache or nginx, right? If you have any query about the local system setup, you can comment me. I definitely revert you. Thank you for watching. We will learn. another things in next video. Thank you so much.